In this video, I'll show you how to highlight objects in CapCut. This video is really for educational purposes only. Make sure you watch what I'm going to show you in this video. When it comes to highlighting objects in CapCut, you can either highlight a part of your video, you can be able to also highlight a text. So let's say if I love to highlight a text, I'm going to just click on this text. I'm going to click on Add Text. I'm going to come on here, I'll just type in good. So this, I'm going to click on styles. I'll increase the opacity. I'll increase the size. I can just click on effect and make it to be normal. So this is basically for the tests. So this is it. So I'll just come on here. I'll reduce the opacity. Yeah, I'm going to just adjust it. So this is it. So I'm going to select black option. So this is it. So let me go here. I'm going to select, okay, for the black option, I can just click on this. Yeah, so I'll click on styles, click on black. So if you love to highlight this object that is a text, just double tap it. You can see this is the highlights that is for the text. Then when it comes to the highlights for the object, what you need to do, you need to click on this. You need to click on edit. You need to scroll to the very end. Then you're going to be able to see the max option. So click on the max. So I think the very best for this is usually the heart and the circle. So you need to just come on here. You can see. Can you see the change? Can you see the change in highlight of objects? Can you see the change? Can you see the change? So this I can basically do this. So you can select it. You can decide for yourself. So I can just do this. If I click on this, this is the part of the video that is going to show. So this is what I basically mean. So if you found this video helpful, please share your thoughts below in the comment section. Thank you all for watching. I will see you all in the very next video.